In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about stopping or disabling programs from opening on startup on your Windows 11 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select apps on the left panel, and then on the right side, you want to go down and select startup. And then over here, where if you want to disable an app, just toggle it to the off position by clicking inside the oval one time and turn it off. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.